In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find suppliers on Alibaba. By the end, you'll know how to search efficiently, filter for reliable factories, and read the trust signals that matter so you can source with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Alibaba. In the results, look for the official site with the alibaba.com domain. This ensures you're on the legitimate platform and not a lookalike page. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and click Sign In at the top. Being signed in helps you save searches, compare suppliers more easily, and use built-in protections later. If you're just exploring, you can still browse, but signing in will streamline the process. When you begin searching, be as specific as possible. Instead of a broad term like bags, try something precise, such as 100% organic cotton tote bag or recycled polyester gym duffel with zipper. Specific keywords help surface factories that actually make the exact materials, sizes, and features you want, which saves time and reduces back and forth. If you have a photo of what you're trying to source, use Alibaba's image search. Click the small camera icon in the search bar on the app or desktop site and upload your picture. This can be especially useful for unique designs or when you don't know the exact name of a product or material. The system will match your image to visually similar listings and suppliers. Next, switch your search from products to suppliers using the drop-down menu beside the search bar. This pivots your results from individual listings to companies that specialize in entire categories. It's a smart way to find factories capable of customization, consistent quality, and a broader range of options within your niche. Before you review results, apply critical safety filters. Check the trade assurance box so your payments are protected in escrow until production and shipping meet the agreed terms. This adds an important layer of security if something goes off track. Also, filter for verified supplier. These are businesses whose factories, capabilities, and legal status have been physically inspected by independent third parties such as SGS or 2V Rhineland. This verification doesn't guarantee perfection, but it significantly raises the baseline of trust. As you compare options, prioritize suppliers with at least 3 or more years on the platform. Longevity suggests a track record of fulfilling orders. Finally, look for performance badges, like the Verified Pro badge and Soapy Diamonds, which rate delivery speed and product quality from 0 to 5. Use these signals together to build a shortlist of credible suppliers you can engage with next.